Welcome to my video channel Education First. For latest videos, please like and subscribe my channel and press bell button.
I, Chamalal Thakur, lecturer in chemistry, Government Senior Secondary School Pangana, District Mandi, is present here with my first concept, mole concept. What is mole? It is the unit of quantity of matter. That is, we can also say it is the unit of quantity of substance. See here, taking number of moles, let us start from here. Taking number of moles, when it is multiplied by this number which is known as Avogadro number, we are getting a number. And further, when this number is divided by Avogadro number, we are getting number of moles. So in general, we can see that it is the unit of quantity of substance. See here, 1 dozen, it is equal to 12 articles. 1 score, it is equal to 20 articles. 1 gross, it is equal to 144 articles. 1 mydriot, it is equal to 10,000 articles. Similarly, 1 mole, it is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23 particles. Okay, so we can see from here that 1 mole is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23 particles. It is the number. These particles may be atoms, molecules, or ions. 1 mole of helium, let us see the example. 1 mole of helium gas is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms of helium. 1 mole of hydrogen gas is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of hydrogen gas. Here we are seeing that helium is a atomic gas, hence atoms are taken here in mole, while hydrogen is a molecular gas. We are taking here molecules because we are taking H2 gas here. Further, we can also see from here, if we are taking mole, it is the this much number 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms or molecules or ions. This is mole. When we are taking this mole as a gas, that is the substance taken is a gas, and we are taking 1 mole of gas, then its volume will be 22.4 liter at STP or NTP. STP means standard temperature pressure या normal temperature pressure. So 1 mole of gas occupies 22.4 liter of space. Or in other words, we can say the volume of 1 mole of gas at NTP will be 22.4 liter. Further, if this substance is solid or liquid, then 1 mole will be that much of grams which is its atomic mass present in periodic table or molecular mass present in periodic table. That is, if the substance is solid, then 1 mole of that solid is equal to the atomic or molecular mass of that solid. Further, we will see here that 1 mole of carbon atom. We are taking here carbon atoms. 1 mole of carbon atom. These atoms will be number 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 atom of carbon, and the mass of such atoms of carbon will be 12 gram of atoms if we are taking carbon 12 isotope. Further, if we are taking 1 mole of sodium atom, then number of atoms in 1 mole of sodium atoms will be 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms of sodium, and the mass of such amount of atoms of sodium will be 23 gram, because the atomic mass of sodium is 23 gram. Further, if we are taking 1 mole of chlorine molecules, then the number of molecules in 1 mole of chlorine will be 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 molecules of chlorine gas, and the mass of this much amount of chlorine gas will be 70.91 gram of chlorine gas, because the molecular mass of chlorine is 70.91 gram. Further, in general, 1 mole of any particles, whether it is atom, molecule or ion, it will contain 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 number of particles, and the mass of these number of particles will be relative mass of those particles in gram. Okay, this is the relation between mole and molecular mass. Further, we can also understand from here. Let us see, we are taking carbon 12 isotope, and we are taking 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms of copper. Then the weight of or the mass of such number of atoms of copper will be 12 gram. C atom mass is 12 gram. Then 1 mole of C12 atoms will be 12 gram exactly. In the same way, if we are taking copper atoms, this much amount of atom, that is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms, then the mass of these atoms will be 63.5 gram, which is the molecular mass of copper. Further, 1 mole of copper will weigh, or the mass of 1 mole of copper is 63.5 gram, and the number of particle in this much amount of copper will be 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms, which is 1 mole. Okay, so we can understand from here what is mole. Further, we see the relationship here between mass, mole and Avogadro number. Here we will start from mass. The mass is denoted by small m. Then the mass, we are taking hypothetical mass, we are taking some mass. Then this mass is divided by molar mass. Molar mass. We are getting number of moles n. We are getting number of moles. Then this mass, any taken mass is divided by the molar mass of that particular substance, we are getting number of moles. Okay, and further, when these number of moles are multiplied by Na, what is Na? It is Avogadro number, Avogad, Avogadro number, and Avogadro number is 6.022 into 10 raised power 23. When the number of moles are multiplied by Na, we are getting capital N, yani ki number of atoms, capital N, number of atoms of that particular substance. Further, when this number of atoms are divided by Na, यानी कि Avogadro number, and multiplied by molar mass, we are getting this mass of the element which is taken. In reverse order, when this mass is divided by molar mass and further multiplied by Avogadro number, we are getting the number of elements, number of atoms of the elements. When these number are further divided by Avogadro number, we are getting the number of moles of the that element. When this number of moles of these element is multiplied by molar mass, we are getting the mass of the element. So from this chart, we can understand the relationship between mass, mole, and Avogadro number. Now we will define the mole as: a mole is the unit of amount of substance which contain the same number of elementary entities as there are atoms in exactly 12 gram of the isotope of carbon 12, which contains entities equal to Avogadro number 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23. So first we will understand that a mole is the unit of amount of substance, and in 1 mole of amount of substance, how many entities are there? 6.022 into 10 raised power 23, which is Avogadro number, and these are derived from exactly the number of atoms present in carbon 12 isotope when it is taken as 12 gram. So this is the exact definition of mole. I think you have learned this concept from your core of heart.
केमिस्ट्री से संबंधित लेटेस्ट वीडियोस के लिए बने रहिए मेरे चैनल के साथ। आगे चलकर आपको इस चैनल में केमिस्ट्री से संबंधित कंसेप्ट बेस्ड वीडियोस मिलेंगे।